To start, what I recommend here, if you don't like straining your eyes too much, is to go into settings. Go into settings, then language. You can change the language, but you can also switch to dark mode. Once you're in dark mode, you'll stay in dark mode, and at least it's more convenient. So you go here into FunnelForge. You have several tabs, okay? My funnels, here, it's simply to create sales funnels. Email campaign, here, is to generate email campaigns related to your sales funnel. For example, you're going to generate a sales funnel called dog food sales funnel. Here, you will be able to connect your sales funnel to your email campaign, which will allow you to generate emails, whether they are launch emails, welcome emails, nurturing, abandoned cart, flash promo, etc. You choose your funnel, your number of emails, your language. Then you have a whole set of documentation that explains a lot of things to you, and video tutorials are coming soon. Next, you have settings, as we just saw, with several options: profile, subscription, API key, appearance, and language. We'll go through all of that together. If anything new is added, well, I'll make another video, or quite simply, everything will be in the documentation, alright? And then you have a really interesting tab, which is the feedback tab. This is where you can, well, here I did a test, but here you can create a new ticket, specify whether it's a bug, a suggestion, or a question, send it along with a screenshot, for example, and simply a member of the team will be able to report the bug and make sure the software is updated as quickly as possible. We are very responsive, so it takes us about 4 hours at most to process your bugs, suggestions, and so on. So, not only will you get quick responses, but also implementations, meaning bug fixes or additions of whatever you want, because you can also make suggestions. So if you have additions or ideas, don't hesitate, it's very important. This will allow the software to be continuously improved with your own ideas, so in a way, it also belongs to you. Next, you have the reseller area. Here, quite simply, in the reseller area, you can add members to your team or resell licenses. So you can also resell FunnelForge yourself on your end. Basically, when you make a sale, you just have to click here. So here you can purchase licenses, okay? Purchase monthly or lifetime licenses. And then you can invite people. So you just need to enter the email, choose whether you want to assign the person as a creator or a reseller, and the person will immediately get direct access to FunnelForge. All right? You will have a link that you can send them, which will automatically connect them to FunnelForge with the level you have chosen for them. This allows you to resell FunnelForge. For example, you can resell FunnelForge for 650 euros. And as soon as you make a sale, you come here, buy the license, boom, you resell it. This allows you not to have to buy licenses in advance. You sell first and then you buy your licenses here. You can also sell the software on a monthly basis and come here. For example, if you sell the software for 77 euros per month, you can buy licenses at 29 and thus generate a profit. Next, you have the collection link. This is still very important here. If you are a funnel builder, for example, if you want to sell sales funnels, you can create a new link here, okay? You enter the client's name, for example, the number of generations they can make, 3, and set it to expire in 30 days. Okay, you click create. I'm going to enter a name, test create. There, your link is created. You can copy this link and send it to someone, to your client, for example. If you sold a sales funnel for 1,000 euros, you can send the link to the client. The client will answer the questionnaire, and quite simply, here in submission, you will have the person's funnel ready to be built. So this way, you will be able to generate sales funnels very, very, very quickly. So the person quickly answers a questionnaire, that creates the sales funnel on your end. You can then retrieve it and sell it. So now we've gone over all the tabs, right? Now I think we need to go deeper into my funnels and really build a funnel from A to Z together. This is truly the most important phase and also the best one for you. You will be able to create a huge number of sales funnels, lead magnets, webinar funnels, appointment booking funnels, sales pages, and thank you pages. Really, you'll be able to take this all the way. So don't worry, you'll be able to launch a lot of offers on the market and gain a significant advantage over your competition this way. On the one hand, but you'll also be able to resell sales funnels, right? That's actually something that works really well. A sales funnel sells for between 1,000 and 2,500 euros. So you can imagine here, with the collection link, you're going to save a considerable amount of time. And even if you already sell sales funnels before, what did you have? You used to have a call with the person, collect the information, and you had to set everything up yourself. Now, with just a collection link, everything is done, and you save a huge amount of time. Look, now we can move forward and create a sales funnel together.